What's up, guys? Steve here from Card Break NL. We're getting ready for the second Sunday Fun Day of the night. Every spot purchased in this break gets you a free shot at a Zach Parise autographed jersey. We'll be giving away later tonight. We're live. Good luck. Nice little break here. This is 14-15 Premier. Colby down to Orr and Anaheim to Winnipeg, guys. Good luck. It's 9:17 on the clock. We're going to start with the teams. 1, 2, 3. Timestamp. You're looking for a couple different teams here: Calgary, Edmonton, Washington, Florida, a couple other ones. Three time is at 9:17. 9:17, last and final. It's 9:18, and 9:18 it is. Got New York Rangers to Dallas. New York Rangers to Dallas. Did I do timestamp? Yeah, I did. Okay. And Montreal down to Toronto. There's teams. Match up the names. 9:18. Colby down to Org. 1, 2, 3 is the timestamp. Timestamp on 3 is at 9:18. 9:18 it is, and last and final here. Fourth and final timestamp. 9:18 and 9:18 it is. Let's copy these over. Adam, top spot. Colby halfway. And Allen to Colby. Cody. There's teams. We'll post them. We'll see you in about 40 minutes for this break, guys. Best of luck. Thanks again.